Previous exercise we learned about land XML files import and how to create surface from the land XML files in the previous exercise, but we must need to know about the surfaces snapshot which we are discussing now in this exercise, or you can say in this video, because it's not exercise but it's a little explanation which can make extra knowledge about surfaces. So what is the snapshots actually useful tools in under the surfaces. When we import some land XML files, and if they remove or delete from the sources, our surface will be, you will see here, yellow exclamation under the surfaces. So your surfaces will not work properly when you have created your snapshots, you can work properly and your surface will remain in the drawing if you already created snapshot of the surfaces. A surface snapshot capture the state of the surface at the time it was created. If there is a snapshot in a surface rebuild will start the snapshot since the snapshot summarize all of the previous build operation. As mentioned previously, a drawing will stay a reference to any external data used to create it, most commonly a point file, land XML file, or breakline file. If the external data is moved or deleted, the reference in the drawing will be broken. To prevent this from affecting the surface, we can create a snapshot of the surface while the surface is still working as intended. Then if anything happens to it, the external data, the surface will remain intact if a snapshot exists. If you right click to a surface name in prospector tab under the existing surface from the in the prospector tab, you will see create snapshot, remove snapshot, and rebuild snapshot. So what is the create? You can create snapshot using this option. By creating a snapshot, you add a build operation that captured the surface information in the current state. Once the snapshot is created, the icon next to the definition in the prospector tree will be changed to camera icon, which you can see here. It is changed already because we already created snapshot for this surface. So our definition have a sign of camera against this. Okay, so the next one we have a remove snapshot. This option will remove the snapshot from the build operation. After a snapshot is removed, the surface will behave as if the snapshot was never there. So third one we have rebuild snapshot. If the operation prior to the snapshot become outdated, you will see a yellow status icon next to its node in the prospector tree. If you will rebuild the snapshot, a new snapshot is created incorporating all changes to the surface model from the point of its initial creation. In many cases, you will want to leave the snapshot in place if you do not want the change to affect the surface, but it is useful to use create snapshot tool for your surface to remain intact with original surface with if you are removing or deleting any source file. Hope you like this video. Stay connected for more advanced knowledge of civil